Hello and welcome to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. It's been about 7 weeks since we last checked in on our avocado seed, and considering it's now November, I thought we'd have a quick update. My garden is currently full of growth, the vegetable garden is looking good, and we're looking like we're going to have a good harvest towards the end of the summer. But while so many other things are growing, including my other avocado seeds, it seems that our avocado seeds' growth is limited to its roots. About a month ago, the roots touched the bottom of the glass, and since then, they have just kept growing. There's still no sign of a shoot, although the seed has turned an interesting green colour, which I can't explain. I'm hoping that there is nothing to worry about. Last episode, I theorised that once the roots had nowhere left to grow, the seed would start its upward growth. But I think now we can probably rule that theory out and return to waiting patiently. The avocado seeds surrounding our seed are doing quite well, except for this one. I accidentally left it to dry out and it was without water for at least a day, and it's still not fully recovered. Let this be a lesson to us all that roots shouldn't be exposed to the air for too long. Thanks for tuning into another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. I'm hoping to have an exciting shoot update soon. But until then, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.